Alright, this is HazaD66 and this is just another Photoshop tutorial for you. Today I'll be learning how to make this kind of fiery avatar for YouTube. So let's get straight into it. First thing you want to do is go to File and New. Then you want to change the width and height to 400 by 400 pixels. Then you want to press OK. Then you want to double click on the background and press Enter to unlock it. Then you want to press D on your keyboard, which makes it standard black and white. And then you want to fill in with the paint bucket tool. You want to fill it black. And then you want to create a new layer above that. And then go to the type tool. And the font I'm going to be using is called Dead Kansas. I will leave a link to this font in the description. And the size I'm using is 135. And the colour is white. So just click in the middle of your screen and type in whatever you want. I'm just going to do text for the tutorial. Then go on the transform tool and move it into the middle, about there. Now we're going to add a few layer styles, but actually before that you want to go back onto your type tool and go on the warp tool and then click on it, and then you want to change the style to bulge and the bend to +5. Now we're going to add a few layer styles, so double click on your text. First thing you want to add is a colour overlay and change that to black. Then you want to add a bevel and emboss, and then the style you want inner bevel, technique you want smooth, and the depth you want to change to 450. And then on the size you want to change to 13, and the soften you want to change to 10. Then you want to untick use global light and change the angle on this to -90 and the altitude to 25. Then on the gloss contour you want to change that to a cone inverted. And then on the colour of the highlight mode you want to change the code down here to FFC000, like that. Then press OK and change the highlight mode to colour dodge. And then you want to change the opacity to 100% and the shadow mode opacity to 0%. Then you want to add an inner glow and change the colour code to FFBA00, like that. Then you want to change the blend mode to linear dodge add. Then you want to change the opacity to 100%. And then the size you want to change to 7. Then you want to tick an outer glow and change the colour to FFBA00 again. So, and then you want to change the blend mode to linear light down there. And then you want to change the opacity to 40. And then the size to 24. Gloss contour you want to choose a cone, which is this one. You want to change the range to 100%. Then you want to add a drop shadow, which is our final effect. Change the colour to white. And then you want to change the blend mode to hard light. Then you want to change the opacity to 100%. And then distance you want to put to 0. Spread you want to put to 39. And the size you want to put to 9. And then you're done for that text. Then you want to press OK. Then you want to create a new layer above this text. And then on the colours you want to change the code to FFC00, FFCC00, like that. And on the background colour you want to change that to black. Then all you want to do is go filter, render and clouds, and then change the blend mode to linear light, or is it linear dodge? No, linear light. Yeah, that's right. And then you just want to duplicate that by pressing right click and duplicate layer, and then press OK. And that is basically it. So thanks for watching. You could use this as your avatar if you want. And so yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later.